you're rather loud, if like to cover your ears, I can give you a 3-second heads up. I'm pretty good at that.
Here we go.
We're just going to get this bow pointed to the buoy right there, 109, so we can clear
Taking
the
a Soo
vessel in
Locks Tour.
front of us. And I will begin the countdown now. In 3, 2, how about a long 1.5? Okay, here we go. My crew's been known to tell me I've been known to toot my own horn.
Nice. There we go. I see the move. Yeah, that boat had those seats up top. Maybe that was a good dance floor. Dance party boat. Yeah. This ain't so bad. The breeze is awesome. You know, for those of you who follow my non-Great America stuff, you know I get nervous on boats. What was it for your birthday weekend? No, it was our anniversary we went up to Washington.
That was my birthday.
Your birthday, yeah. So yeah, last month for El Michelle's birthday, we went on a boat. Now we're going back for mine on the boat. There goes. All right, I'll show you more cool stuff.